How to use vanilla gift card online. So first of all, what is a vanilla gift card? A vanilla gift card by itself or by nature is also a Visa gift card. So if you go to the official website of vanillagift.com, you can see a vanilla gift card is essentially a Visa gift card. Now, before you try to use your vanilla gift card, it is important to understand whether or not you have activated your gift card. So if you have not activated it, just come to their official website vanillagift.com. Go to the activate your card or check balance option based on whatever you want to do. If you want to check the balance, you can select that, or you can go to activate your card and enter your card number, expiration date, and click on continue option to activate and view the balance. Now question comes after you've activated. Let's say there is $500 inside the gift card and it's a $500 gift card and you want to redeem or use it online. You have to use it online on e-commerce platform. So as I said, vanilla gift card is by nature just a Visa gift card. So most of the shopping websites actually accepts a Visa gift card. So you can see on Walmart also, under the payment method, you can use a Visa gift card. On Amazon also, you can use a Visa gift card. So to basically use your vanilla gift card online, you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card on this payment method of shopping websites. So let's say I'm ordering something on Amazon. I can click on this add a credit or debit card option, and I can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter my vanilla gift card number, the name on card. If it asks you for the name on card, if there is a name on the card, perfectly fine. If there's no name, you can just type in a generic name like gift card, like that. Now on other websites like Walmart and so on, you can enter your vanilla gift card, which is your Visa gift card, right, as a normal credit or debit card. Sometimes if it asks you for a zip code, because vanilla gift cards are not issued with a zip code, then in that case you can actually just enter the zip code of your billing address. Just remember that the website that you're trying to order from must accept Visa gift card, and you should not actually select the option called enter a gift card of that website, because this option is for the exclusive gift card of that website. So instead, if you have a vanilla gift card, you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card on the payment method of the website where they accept Visa gift card or Visa card. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.